Adult learners are not just older versions of school children. They're complex, experienced, and purpose-driven individuals navigating a world that's constantly evolving. Understanding what sets them apart is the key to unlocking transformative education. Unlike children, adult learners bring years, sometimes decades of lived experience into the learning space. This experience isn't just background noise, it's their internal reference system. It's how they interpret new information, challenge it, connect it, and apply it. When we teach adults, we're not filling empty cups. We're connecting with full minds. Adults learn best when the learning is relevant. They don't just want theory, they want application. They ask, how will this help me solve my problems? How will this improve my life? Purpose-driven learning is not optional for adults. It's essential. Autonomy is another key trait. Adult learners are self-directed. They value choice, freedom, and the ability to shape their own learning paths. They want to feel like partners in the process, not passive recipients of knowledge. Give them options. Let them explore, involve them in decisions. The more control they have, the more engaged they become. Then there's time. Adults are often balancing careers, families, health, and other responsibilities. Time is a scarce resource. This makes efficiency and flexibility in learning critical. Microlearning, asynchronous modules, mobile access, these aren't just features, they're lifelines. Adult learners need education that fits into life, not the other way around. Motivation also changes with age. For adults, learning isn't about getting a gold star. It's about growth. It's about becoming better at something that matters. That's why real-world relevance, respect, and recognition are powerful drivers of adult motivation. Fear plays a role too. Fear of failure, fear of looking foolish. Many adults carry emotional baggage from past learning experiences. They may have been told they weren't smart enough or that school wasn't for them. Creating a safe, respectful, and supportive environment is not just kind, it's crucial. We're not just teaching minds, we're healing wounds. Social learning is another factor. Adults learn through conversation, collaboration, and community. They don't want to just absorb, they want to exchange. Facilitate discussion, encourage storytelling. Create spaces where peer learning thrives. And finally, mindset. The most successful adult learners are those who adopt a growth mindset. They see challenges as opportunities and setbacks as steps. As educators, it's our job to nurture this mindset, to help them reframe struggle as progress and curiosity as courage. So what makes adult learners unique? They are experienced. They are purposeful. They are autonomous, motivated, and complex. And they are capable of extraordinary transformation when given the right conditions. When we understand how adults learn, we can design experiences that don't just transfer knowledge, they unlock potential. And that's not just education. That's evolution.